How to make homemade lemon loaf cake, easy and delicious recipe. Smiling and enthusiastic, welcome back to our multi-recipe and cookery channel. Today, we have a delightful treat in store for you. We'll be showing you how to make a scrumptious homemade lemon loaf cake that's sure to brighten up your day. So, let's get right into it. Segment 1: Ingredients. Here are the ingredients you'll need for our lemon loaf cake. 1½ cups all-purpose flour. 1 cup granulated sugar. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 3 large eggs. 1 tablespoon lemon zest. 1/3 cup fresh lemon juice. 1/2 cup plain yogurt, or sour cream. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Segment 2: Preparations. Before we start baking, make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a standard loaf pan with butter or non-stick spray. Now, let's move on to the steps. Step 1: Sift the dry ingredients. In a medium-sized bowl, let's sift together the all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Sifting will ensure a smooth and lump-free batter. Step 2: Cream the butter and sugar. In a separate large mixing bowl, cream the softened unsalted butter and sugar together until light and fluffy. You can use a hand mixer or stand mixer for this step. Step 3: Add eggs and lemon zest. Now, add the eggs one at a time into the butter-sugar mixture, making sure each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. Then, mix in the lemon zest, which will add a burst of lemon flavor to our cake. Step 4: Combine wet ingredients. Host. In a small bowl, mix together the fresh lemon juice, plain yogurt, or sour cream, and vanilla extract. Stir until well combined. Step 5: Alternate wet and dry ingredients. Gradually add the wet and dry ingredients to the butter-sugar egg mixture. Begin with a portion of the dry ingredients, then some of the wet, and continue until all ingredients are combined. Mix until you have a smooth batter, but be careful not to overmix. Segment 3: Baking. Our batter is ready, so let's pour it into the greased loaf pan, making sure it's evenly spread. Now, pop it into the preheated oven. Step 6: Bake the lemon loaf cake. Bake the lemon loaf cake for approximately 50–60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Keep an eye on it to avoid overbaking. Segment 4: Final touch. Taking the baked lemon loaf cake out of the oven, our lemon loaf cake looks and smells fantastic. But before we indulge, let's give it a final touch. Step 7: Lemon glaze. To enhance the lemony goodness, let's prepare a simple lemon glaze. Mix 1 cup of powdered sugar with 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice until you get a smooth consistency. Step 8: Glaze the cake. While the cake is still warm, poke some holes on top using a toothpick, and generously drizzle the lemon glaze over the cake. The glaze will seep into the cake, adding extra moisture and tangy flavor. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. And there you have it, a delightful homemade lemon loaf cake that's both zesty and moist. This is a perfect treat for any occasion or simply to enjoy with a cup of tea or coffee. We hope you give this recipe a try and let us know how it turned out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed this recipe. Happy baking!